So people, welcome back to another video. I'm actually getting the itch, pretending we're on Alton Park here, mate, with the roses. No, today, let's get to it. This dashboard is coming out, everything, the full shebang, all the plastic, the cage, and then we're going to assess the wiring and see where we're up to, see what we can remove, see what's got to stay. May even have a go at taking this screen out, because I don't know if you can see on camera, but she's a little bit mashed up.
We set up a professional photo booth. Let me start again. We've set up a professional paint booth here.
Can you stay still though, Mike?
Hold your breath. Be careful, because that's like tripping as well.
It is, mate. It's horrible.
Yeah.
You've done this before, Joe?
Not really, mate. There you go.
That'll do the other side.
It's spitting all over the place, mate.
Yeah, do this side.
Horrible. No, I'm not spraying that. That's the back. No one sees that. I know we're going all in, but we're not going that in.
It's on a budget.
It is,
right,
exactly.
Let it dry. Tack it. Yeah, stop. So shake can for 2 minutes vigorously.
Yeah, you're at about 10 seconds.
Right, now we're at 13 seconds. 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes.
It's going to be some
20 seconds.
I'm giving in lad's face.
Go on, go for it. Go on. Do some cocktail shaking. Hey! Through the legs, behind the back. Do you know what? It's spitting rain as well, there, lads.
I know. Yeah, I still have to do that.
35 seconds. I'm
feeding it. I'm feeding.
I'm not getting in on this. I've done the wrinkle paint, mate.
Go on. Keep going. 45 seconds. Do some flips. Flip it like a cocktail. Keep going. 55 seconds. Vigorously, mate. Tag me in. Right, ready? What?
Tag team.
God, just swing and hold me.
Oh, here we go. Right, it's raining on the product, mate.
You need to get the rattling.
You're not there yet. You're 1 minute 15.
I see the time on the front. 1 minute 18.
Keep it going. Vigorously, it said.
Vigorously.
Right, I hope that's not landing on my product.
Right, go and get an umbrella, Mike.
You haven't got one?
135.
Spend it all on the tin spray.
Listen to that.
Spray it in.
Keep going like that, right to the end.
Get a TikTok of that.
Battery's running out.
Sleep mode.
You keep going, mate.
142, 20 seconds, ready?
No, you've got 6 seconds.
Oh, is that all?
3, 2, 1.
Go.
Bosh.
Cheeky little tack coat. Starting the process. You can actually pick up the mist on the camera.
Hi there.
Look at that, primed. Bit of overspray. Lovely stuff.
This is where we've made it to today. We've buried Matthew in the engine bay. Look at that. Just look at that.
We were actually planning on just, well, we weren't even planning on primering it, were
No,
we?
we was not
No, we're
expecting
just planning on
this
just to
far.
primer it and
We
not
went,
spray
we went
it black,
to the
yeah?
shop and we got the rust coat,
Rust cure.
rust cure, and then basically that said that once the rust cure's on, we have to put a top coat on after 3 hours. So we went back, got some primer, and then that escalated, and we've painted it with a high temperature paint, which is quite matte, isn't it? Quite a matte colour, but it looks
It's
good.
a nice matte though, isn't it?
It's like a satin.
May have to go over it again.
I think another
With
coat.
something a bit more shinier. It looks a bit like it's been set on fire.
Yeah, it looks a bit charcoaly because of the primer, and the primer's coming through.
But Mike was not meant to get here today.
Right, John,
Yes, mate.
what are you doing now? Final coat.
Final coat, mate. I'm very happy with it so far.
So we've gone a little bit glossier. It's matte paint, but it's glossier than that high temperature stuff,
It
isn't
looks
it?
good, yeah. Like I said, I didn't want overkeying that. It looked a bit grey.
Yeah.
So, final coat. This has now had potentially, this will be its 6th coat of stuff, so this should be quite strong as well. So let's give it its final touch.
Poing, poing, poing. Oh,
She's gone.
sleigh bells, mate.
Look at that. Is the final product. Over the moon. Ain't nobody, lad. But I'm over the moon with that. We are one step closer to getting stuff put back in. That's next. So, just a little guess of what it's going to look like, I suppose, with the trim on and the plating. Obviously, that is definitely getting redone. Maybe that, but yeah. Oh, you're starting to see the vision. Bosh. So, we're pretty much ready to start putting it back together, literally.
So, next we need to degrease the subframe.
Subframes, yeah.
Yeah, wire wheel the subframe. We started the engine, as you've seen. We've done the intake on that. We just need to do the block. Once the subframe's in, the engine can go back in.
Everything will be polybushed. The subframe will be back in polybushed, and then this will be going to the Garage of Dreams, and the engine can go in as soon as that engine's painted. This is nigh on ready for the engine now, so it is going to happen a hell of a lot faster, and I'm happy about that. We've got a date on there, 12th of December, Alton Park. I'm hoping to get a few by that point. So
End of
as
September,
always,
innit? End
if
of
you made it
September.
this far, thank you very much. Tell your mum, tell your nan, like, share, comment, subscribe.
Still trying to get to 1,000 subscribers, aren't we?
We're doing all right.
We're getting there.
all right.
Yeah.
We're getting there.
The next milestone is 250. So come on, people, let's do 250,
250.
and we'll see you
Press the
in the
button.
next. Peace.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share.